Most professionals are looking for the one AI skill that will protect their career. That's the wrong approach. AI Advantage is built in layers. Knowing how to use one AI tool isn't a strategy. Tools change. Interfaces evolve. Leverage comes from how tools connect. There are 5 layers to AI leverage. Each layer moves you further away from execution and closer to control. This is where most people stop. Prompting improves output quality, but prompting alone does not create leverage. It creates speed. Workflow design connects prompts into repeatable processes. Input, processing, review, decision. This is where leverage begins. Automation removes manual execution. Recurring reports, data formatting, draft generation. Automation compounds output, but it still isn't the highest layer. This is where most professionals never move. AI outputs become inputs into business decisions. You are no longer generating content. You are shaping direction. At the highest level, AI becomes infrastructure. You design systems. You define metrics. You own outcomes. This is where career leverage accelerates. The further up the stack you move, the harder it is to replace you. Execution is automated first. Ownership is automated last. You don't need to jump to the top immediately. Every quarter, move one layer higher. Prompting to workflows, workflows to automation, automation to decision integration. This compounds faster than most people expect. Careers in the AI era won't be defined by tools. They'll be defined by leverage structures. Build yours early. Click on the icon to subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss the next video in the series. And if you really enjoyed the content, give us a like.